Hi everyone, I'm Hamdulal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today we will talk about Firebase crash analytics. Okay, so we will see what really this crash analytics is, like what really this crash analytics is. So how we do this thing and how this thing is telling about. So let's click on this and we'll figure out the thing there, what really the documentation tells us about this thing, what really this Firebase crash analytics is. So at first itself, the prioritize and fix stability issue first. So the video is available here. You can find out the thing that tells us more awesome and more simplify. But here I will tell you about the things what really this thing is telling us. So Firebase Crash Analytics helps you track, prioritize, and fix stability issues that erode app quality real time. Spend less time triaging and troubleshooting crashes and more time build app features that delight users. So you can use iOS and Android. So you can do this thing. Okay, so you created what it say quickly pinpoint the root cause of crashes. Crash analytics intelligently group an avalanche of crashes into a manageable list of issues. It also provides information of why a crash occurred and what happened leading up to it. With this insight, you can uncover the root cause of crashes more quickly. So whatever the crash issue, it just tells you, and wherever the crash issue is, it just shows you the thing that why this thing is happening and how it just generate the report there. So understand what issue to tackle first. Crashes are prioritized by the impact on actual users, so you know how best to try each effort for fixing bugs. Okay, so now whenever you find the issue, so it tells you, it just gives you some opinion or some prediction that how the thing is going on or how you must fix your bug or whatever the issues there. So never miss a critical crash. Get real-time alerts for new issues, regardless issues, and issues that might require immediate attention no matter where you are. Okay, so how you generate a report on the basis of that issues, that crash, that report issues. So this thing is present here, crash analytics, that will help you. Doodle increase user engagement for 2% with the crash analytics and remote configuration. So Doodle help you to find the best date and time to meet people with the app. So there is some sort of an app, web Doodle is there, so you can find out with the download the case study here. So right now we are just talking about this crash analytics. So let's see the document here. What really this document telling us about the thing, or why we really need this crash analytics and how this thing is working on there. So get clear actionable insight into an app issue with this powerful crash reporting solution for Android, iOS. Firebase Crash Analytics is a lightweight real-time crash reporter that helps you track, prioritize, and fix stability issues that erode your app quality. Okay, crash analytics save you troubleshooting time by intelligently grouping crashes and highlightly the circumstances that leads up to them. Find out if a particular crash impact is impacting a lot of users. Get alerts when an issue suddenly increases in severity. Figure out which line of codes are causing crash. So you can install crash analytics and you will see how this thing is working. We will see in our experimental or in our practical portion how this thing is working, and we will create some sort of application and we'll see how this crash report is generating the reports and how this thing is working. There are some methods, there are some key capabilities, there are some properties. We will discuss this thing. Curated crash reports, cures for common crashes, integrated with analytics, real-time alerts. So there are some methods here. Connect your app, integrate your app with the analytics. So how you can integrate, we will see in our practical portion. Check report in the Firebase console. Okay, you can check your report in the Firebase console. So next thing is there, for next you have to go on console and start your project there and find out how this thing is working. So stay with me and we'll see further the next thing there in the practical portion there. So don't forget to subscribe and just go on with the thing. Bye bye, ta-da, have a nice day, thank you.